Tired of lugging around a bulky, uncomfortable backpack on your international travels? Let's face it, the wrong bag can ruin your trip. Join me as I reveal the best travel backpacks for 2025, designed to keep you comfortable and organized no matter where your adventure takes you. Planning an epic international adventure? Finding the right backpack can be a major headache. But worry no more. This video breaks down the top travel backpacks for 2025, comparing features, durability, and comfort to help you find the perfect bag for your needs. So, let's get started. Number 1. Travel Backpack for Women. Meet the ultimate travel companion for women, the Sinally Expandable 40L Travel Backpack. Stylish, spacious, and designed to pass airport security without breaking a sweat. With a sleek, expandable design, this backpack transforms from daily use to a 40-liter packing powerhouse. Easily fits your makeup bag, camera gear, laptop, and even comes with 2 toiletry bags. Yes, that's all in one backpack. Slide your 17.3-inch laptop into the padded compartment, stash your passport in the hidden anti-theft pocket, and use the luggage strap to hook it right onto your suitcase handle. No back strain, no fuss. Made from water-resistant anti-scratch polyester, it's built for adventure and daily grind alike. The shoulder straps even tuck away when you want a briefcase look. Whether it's a weekend escape or your go-to-flight bag, the Sinally backpack delivers style, function, and peace of mind. Ready to upgrade your travel game? Check it out on Amazon now. Number 2. Aer Travel Backpack. Looking for a travel backpack that actually works for every kind of trip? Meet the Aer Travel Backpack, a durable, convertible carry-on built for serious movement. Made from high-quality Terraline Oxford fabric, it's water-resistant, scratch-proof, and even anti-theft. It easily converts between backpack, duffel, and shoulder bag for total travel freedom. With 10 compartments, including padded space for a 15.6-inch laptop, this bag keeps everything organized from your iPad to your socks. And with breathable shoulder straps and an elastic back, it's designed for all-day comfort. Going hiking? Business trip? Weekend getaway? The Aer backpack handles it all with a sleek design and serious function. Plus, adjustable waist support and gear loops mean you're always ready for what's next. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or just heading to class, this bag is built to last and move with you. Number 3. Large carry-on travel backpack. Need a carry-on that actually works for modern travel? This 40-liter backpack is flight-approved, waterproof, and loaded with features to make your trip smoother than ever. Open it flat 180 degrees at TSA without unpacking your laptop. It fits perfectly under airplane seats with 2-way zippers for extra security and a dedicated 17-inch laptop compartment. You'll love the 3 included packing cubes, 1 for toiletries, 1 for clothes, and a separate shoe bag. There's even a dry-wet pocket to keep everything clean and sorted. Thirsty? The side pocket fits a 32-ounce water bottle. Need a charge? Use the built-in USB port with your power bank. And the anti-theft pocket keeps your passport safe while you travel. Stylish, practical, and built for life on the go, this backpack is perfect for vacations, business trips, or weekend adventures. Once you use it, you'll never fly without it again. Number 4. Osprey Farpoint 40 L Men's Travel Backpack. Looking for the perfect carry-on backpack for serious travel? Meet the Osprey Farpoint 40L, lightweight, smartly designed, and carry-on ready. With 40 liters of space and large panel zip access, you can pack like a suitcase and move like a backpacker. Dual compression straps keep your gear secure, and lockable zippers add peace of mind. Your 16-inch laptop? Safe in the padded sleeve, right next to a quick-access tablet pocket. There's even an external zippered compartment for toiletries and 2 mesh water bottle holders. The best part? The harness and hip belt tuck away when not in use, but are ready to go when you're on the move, making this pack as versatile as your travel plans. At just 3.48 pounds and airline-friendly in size, the Osprey Farpoint 40L is more than a backpack. It's a trusted travel companion. Pack smart. Travel far. Number 5. Travel Carry-On Backpack 50L Expandable. Need a backpack that packs like a suitcase but carries like a pro? Meet the 50L Expandable Travel Carry-On Backpack, your new go-to for business trips, vacations, and everything in between. It starts at 36 liters for light trips, but expands to a full 50 liters, big enough for a week on the road. And yes, the flight was still approved. Fits in the overhead bin, and even under your seat. This bag fits a 17.3-inch laptop, has a built-in USB port for charging, and features a hidden anti-theft pocket to keep your valuables safe. Made with water-resistant anti-scratch fabric, it keeps your gear dry, even when the weather doesn't cooperate. Plus, the padded mesh back and adjustable straps keep you comfortable all day. Going through airport security, the 180-degree zipper lets you breeze right through. And with dedicated compartments for clothes, shoes, and tech, it's like having a closet on your back. The Travel Carry-On Backpack, one bag, endless possibilities. Number 6. Bag Smart Compression Travel Backpack. Tired of backpacks that turn packing into a disaster? Say hello to the Bag Smart 40L Compression Travel Backpack, designed to hold more, stress less, and travel smarter. With a 40-liter max capacity, it fits 3 to 5 days of clothes, plus it expands or compresses based on your trip. And yes, it's carry-on approved for all major airlines. It opens flat to breeze through TSA. Inside, 2 clothing cubes and a shoe bag to keep everything clean and organized, no more wrinkled shirts or lost socks. The elastic compression system saves space, while padded straps and breathable mesh keep you comfortable on long walks through terminals or trails. Water-resistant and made to last, this isn't just a backpack, it's your new travel essential. Business trip, weekend getaway, or campus life, it's got you covered. Grab the Bag Smart Backpack and pack like a pro, because chaos doesn't belong in your carry-on. Number 7. Vacuum Travel Backpack. Say goodbye to bulky luggage with the Tankoral Vacuum Travel Backpack, the backpack that vacuum seals your clothes and saves up to 80% of space. This expandable beast goes from 35L to 50L, basically the storage of a carry-on suitcase but without the wheels and weight. Use the built-in air release or a vacuum pump to compress your clothes and pack 5 to 7 days worth of travel gear with room to spare. It has 3 roomy compartments, a laptop pocket for up to 17.3 inches, and a separate shoe compartment to keep things fresh. Water-resistant, durable, and designed for comfort, it's got padded straps, airflow mesh, and even a USB charging port for powering your devices on the go. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or flying overseas, this vacuum seal backpack does more than carry. It compresses, organizes, and powers you through your trip. Travel smart. Travel light. Travel vacuum-packed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart travel gear reviews. Got questions about the Vacuum Travel Backpack or want me to compare it with another? Drop it in the comments. I reply to everyone. Travel smart, pack light, and I'll see you in the next one.